Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2014 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive V10 gas engine. It's extended cab with 11-foot IMT Dominator service bed, 7,500 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers, air hose and reel, wireless remote. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Caterpillar. It's a really nice truck, especially to belong to Caterpillar. It's got power windows, power locks, cruise control, all that stuff. The bed does have a little bit of rust flaking right in there. Nothing structural. It's like that on both sides, but a lot of these beds do that. The IMT and the maintainers do that. In those boxes right there. I'd already had the outriggers down. Pull it up. Down. Up. And it does go in and out, but you have to pull that little pin out right there. Driver's side. It's up. Alright, we work the crane. Air compressor. Pumping wind, crane up, clockwise, counterclockwise, winch down. Extension out, extension in, winch up, boom down, winch up. Alright, stop switch in. You got floodlights and work lights. Let's put that right here. Thing over here. I think the other side's actually a little worse, but like I said, it's nothing structural, just some rust. Bolt bends. Toolbox. American Eagle. Let's see, I don't know if this thing works or not. Yeah, not sure if that power inverter works. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. My website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. Really sharp truck, it's got a lot of eye appeal. The trucks that are different colors usually don't last too long. They're all normally white. Every once in a while we'll get a silver one or a red one or a brown one or something. If you're looking at a state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to your door. It's going to be about $1.75 a mile. Could be a little more depending on where you're at. Could be less, but that's a good figure to work off of if you come here and take it home with you. You got to come Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. When you come, you got to bring certified funds. It has to be a cashier's check, cash, or wire transfer. I prefer wire transfer. We do not accept check on your name or your business name. It has to be certified funds. And you got to be here 8 to 5. I would suggest being here around 3:30 or earlier so we can get your paperwork done and get you out of here. It doesn't take long to do the paperwork, about 5 minutes. I've done it about 17,000 times, so it doesn't take long, but we'll get you in and get you out. I guess that's about it on this truck. If you got any questions, give me a call, 256-310-6852. And I can tell you another thing, the used vehicle market's crazy and it's starting to affect these trucks as well. I had several trucks I've tried to buy recently, whether they be at the auction or wherever, are bringing more than I've sold to customers in the past too. I told somebody the other day I'm about to just start calling my old customers and trying to buy some of the trucks back I sold them, because it's just they're bringing more than I was selling them for 2 and 3 years ago. It's crazy, you know. So, you know, if we got to pay more, unfortunately that means y'all got to pay more. So, but that's how it goes sometimes. But thanks for watching. Give us a call if you're interested.